Now that you've taken your pictures in Photo Booth, it's time to make your comic strip using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is the blue W at the bottom of your screen, so you can open that. In Microsoft Word, the first thing we need to do is to change our page orientation. We want it in the landscape view, meaning the long side will be on top. So we will go to File, Page Setup, and under Orientation, click on this icon here. Okay? And it changes our page around for us. The next thing we need to do is to add a picture. And you can do this using the formatting palette. If you don't have a formatting palette on your right hand side, go to View and Formatting Palette and click on that and it will appear. So there's several tabs in the formatting palette. We want the one that has the picture of the mountains and the plus sign. So click on that. And there'll be several tabs inside the object palette. There's shapes, clip art, symbols, and your photos. This little camera icon is what we need. If we click on the camera, it shows us all of our photos that are in iPhoto, which is what we imported to earlier. If you can't see your photos, look here, and you can click on this arrow and look under Albums and Last Import. If you had iPhoto at home and you had your photos organized in albums, you could just choose which album the photos were in. So here's my pictures, and I'm going to take one, just click on it, it'll light up blue, and drag it onto the paper. Now my picture is way too big for my comic strip, so I need to change that. I can click on the picture and I can change the size many different ways. You can just grab the handles and resize it, but I don't want to do that because I want all my pictures to be the same size, so I need something a little more precise. I can right click on it, go to Format Picture, and on the side here it says Size, and I'm going to change the height to 1.5 inches. And this is going to automatically change my width for me. You want your width to be between 1.5 and 2.5 inches for your comic strip. You'll have to test it out to see what looks best. And then we're going to click OK. And there it is. So let's add another picture. Now this one, I want to show you a different way to change the size. That might be faster. Make sure the picture is selected first, and you'll know it's selected by the box around it. And then go to this formatting palette here with the A and the dashes on the side. And there's several different categories under here. The one we need is size, rotation, and ordering. It's already open for me, but if it's not open for you, you can click on the gray arrow next to it and open it. And I'm going to change the width to 2 because my other one was 2. And it automatically changed the height for me. And see, now both my pictures are the exact same size. So go ahead and do that, and then we'll do the next step.